Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. And it is giveaway time finally. So I'm sorry it's taken me so long to get this together. I just kind of kept coming up with things to give away. So we have yep, we will have 6 winners in this giveaway. We're celebrating 3,000 subscribers, so thank you all so very much for playing along with me and crafting with me and laughing with me and probably at me. I appreciate you all so very much. And because it was a 3,000 subscriber giveaway, I was going to do 3 prizes. And then I just kind of kept going. So I doubled the 3 and now we have 6. So, you know, in like anticipation of 6,000 subscribers, right? We can aim high. All right, so what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm sort of show you the prizes. I want some of them to be, like parts of them to be a bit of a surprise because I think that's fun. But I want you to also know what you're like entering to win. So if you don't like any of it, you don't have to enter. And then at the end, I will explain to you how you can get entries into this giveaway. And it's not terribly difficult, but I will explain that at the end. So let's get started. First and foremost, all right, so this was my first idea. This is an altered cigar box, and I used a kit called Passion. It's a large ephemera kit created by Stephanie at Junk with Steph. And I also use sheet music and lace and all kinds of fun goodies, you know, bling and stuff on the front. And it has a magnet closure, and you've got all kinds of goodies on the top here. I love the black and the red and yeah, and the vintage. All right, and then when you open it up, you have a journal here. It is a simple 1 signature paper bag journal. I'm not gonna show you the inside because I want that to be the surprise, but then you also have a storage box for all your goodies, or you can just keep your journal in there. Keep it secret. You've got a little pocket up here with a little journaling card, and that has my little my little stamp on it. Okay, I just needed to grab a drink. I had a frog in my throat. We needed to get rid of that. So that is one of the prizes. And then we have, this is one of the like skinny little journals that I am still in the process of making the next video for. But this one I made just on my own. So the other one will be different, but I kind of went with a fall theme here. And I almost just don't even want to open it up and show you. You know what? We're just going to keep it a surprise. I hope you guys are okay with that. If you're not, let me know and I'll do another video before the giveaway is over. But I kind of went, you know, fall, oranges and golds and yellows and sunflowers and all kinds of yumminess here. So that is another prize. And then let's see, this little bag, I made the topper here with a die from In Love Arts, and I will link that die in the description box below so you can check that out. But I used some Prima paper and then a little Prima flower and a little crochet flower. Isn't that cute? And then you can still open the bag. I just have it closed with a little paper clip. But inside here, and I'm just gonna kind of show you the inside so you can see how stuffed it is. These are all vintage or antique ephemera pieces. So you can kind of get an idea of what's in there, right? So, yep, just kind of stuffed full. Alrighty, there we go. And then this bag is also stuffed full. You can kind of see in there. This is full of things that I have made for challenges, or like there's a lot of the items from the 3 and 15 challenge in here. Other things that I've made for other challenges. So basically just a bunch of handmade goodies that you can use in your journals, or, I mean, there's so much in here. You probably have enough to fill a pretty decent sized journal. I don't know if it all matches, but you know, you've got something to work with. And then this really cool craft colored glassine bag. I love these so much. So yeah, that is another prize. Let's see. And then I made 2 altered composition notebooks, and I used papers from Carrie Ann at Shabby Art Boutique. These are from her handmade clubs. She has a subscription, a monthly subscription, and you get the most amazing collections of papers, and I think they are just gorgeous. I will link to her, I think it's a blog, but I'll link to her information in the description box so you can check her out if you want to. But I'm not going to open them up. They're basically plain inside. There is a little bit on the inside covers, but I've covered the front and the back, and then added some fabric to the spine to cover up that, you know, black piece. And then some gorgeous lace here, and some sari silk for the closure. And then this one here, love it. Same fabric and lace, just different papers. And again, the sari silk ribbon. So, all right, that's 6. So 6 prizes, 6 winners. And here are the rules and information. All right, it is open internationally. If you win and you don't want a physical prize, because I do have, you know, dogs and cats, and I know that I have some viewers that, you know, are allergic, you can, you know, message me, let me know, and we will work out, you know, maybe you would want some digitals from my shop. You know, we'll work something out that way. I'm gonna choose the winners the old-fashioned way, drawing them from, you know, a bowl or a hat or something. Let's see. All right. So you need to be 18. Okay. You need to be willing to send me an email within 48 hours of winning. Trying to think of all the good things. All right, and then you have to be a subscriber, and I need to be able to see that you're a subscriber. If you're not sure how to check if your subscriptions are public, Google that. You can just Google that for your specific device, because it's different on computers and iPads and phones and all that jazz. So you'll need to Google it for your specific device. You know, I'd love it if you would like this video. You will need to leave a comment in, you know, the comment section below, letting me know that you want to enter. Maybe you could let me know which prize you would choose if you win. I'm going to link to my Instagram, where I will have a post about the giveaway. And I would, if you have Instagram, head over there, like that post, shoot me a comment on that post, and you'll get an extra entry, okay? It's not a requirement. It'll just give you an extra entry. So your name will go in twice. Does that make sense? But only 1 prize per person. So you can't win more than once, but you have an extra chance of winning. Does that make sense? I hope so. I'll type all this up in the description box so maybe it'll be less confusing. Let's see. And then when I choose the winners, the first person I choose will get to choose which prize they want. The second, and so forth. So I'll tell you more about that when I actually choose the winners. But I didn't want to, like what I might consider the grand prize might not be what the first person picked wants, right? So I wanted to let them choose. So it'll kind of go down, and then the sixth person will get whatever's left, that kind of thing. So I think I covered it all. Check the description box because all of the information will be there as well. And I am going to let this run for 1 week. Okay, so today is Friday, September 4th. I will do the drawing on Friday, September 11th. Sometime probably late morning, early afternoon, I'll actually film it and then get it uploaded, sometime after that on Friday. So if you haven't already, hit that little bell and that will notify you every time I upload a video so you don't miss out when I actually draw the giveaway. Because like I said, you'll have 48 hours to contact me. And that's going to be really important this time because we're going to be waiting on, I'll have to wait for the first person to choose their prize before I can, let the next person choose and so forth, right? So I don't want the sixth person to contact me right away and they have to wait for the first person. So it'll be very important. If I don't get an email within that 48 hours, I'll bump everybody up and I'll choose a new sixth winner, okay? Yeah, I know, that's a lot of information for so early in the morning. At least it's early for me. By the time this uploads, maybe my brain will be working better and, it'll be later in the day. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling now. So most importantly, be a subscriber. Leave me a comment, head over to Instagram if you have Instagram. Share this video. I would love if you would share this video and maybe we can, get some new subscribers before I do the drawing. That would be awesome. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous Friday and a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next week in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.